Here's some more buildings that will be demolished. You might see this in another video, but this massive former government life building will go down. That green building there will go down. That Reading Cinemas movie theatre there will stay. If you look closer you'll see more buildings there, those will go down, but that big building there, that bank, I think, that will stay. There was no reason to tear that down. It's not property of whatever management is organising the demolition, but yeah. But those ones over there, nah, they're staying, but buildings on this block go down.